This is a clipping from my previous video where I made a pintuck top, and I'm going to use this leftover fabric to make my another top's neck design. Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to Sewing is Fun. Whenever we make any dress, being it kurtis, top or gown, this much portion towards the armhole and the side waist always left untouched, and we generally throw it out of no use. But today I am going to show you a beautiful neck design using such scrap fabrics. So let's quickly get started. Okay, so let me search first these two pieces of my pintuck top. So this is the first one and this is the second one. Now first I need to conceal the raw edges. So for that I'm going to use this leftover scrap fabric. This is a green colored fabric, and I'm going to make a piping from this to conceal the raw edges. So first I'm going to cut these strips. It's a 1 inch wider strip. The length you can decide according to your leftover fabric. So these are the two strips. I'm going to add this here. So just place both the pieces right on right and then sew it just near the edge of this fabric. Do this to the another strip too. Place it right on right and start sewing. Just give a small slit and turn the strip in this way. You can use any contrast color strips here. Now turn it towards the wrong side. Here you can decide the width of your pipings, if you want a small one or the wider one. It all depends on your choice. I'm giving a little bit wider piping here. By giving these slits, you can easily turn this strip. So give slits wherever it's needed. Do the same to the other part also. With this, you will get a sweetheart neck shape. I don't want to leave this beautiful pintuck work, so I decided to make this. But you can also try making it by using the plain fabric too. Giving the slits towards the curved parts. Now turn it to the wrong side and start sewing. This neck design is very easy and you can also make it for the blouse back neck. As it's a leftover fabric from the armhole, so you will get a perfect neck length, that is 7.5 inches. Now here give a small pleat and sew it. Give a reverse stitch to keep the shape intact. We need to do this step. Now here you can see both pieces are ready. From the back it's looking like this, and from the front it's looking like this. Now we need to join these two pieces. So whenever you make a round shape neckline, you will most probably get this scrap fabric, which I am going to use it here. So just fold it from the middle. You will need this curved shape to make this neckline. Now cut it, separate the pieces, and now you need to place it in this way, but before that we need to conceal the raw edges again. So do the same thing, make pipings by using the green strip or any contrast color strip, and later we need to place it in this way. You can mark 2 inches upward and place this strip in this way after giving the pipings. So it is looking like this. You can see from the back I had given a slits also towards the curved part. So done with both the pipings in the pieces, and now I'm going to place it to my neckline. So first pin it to join the pieces. Now take these 2 pieces, place it in a cross way, pin it, and then place it here. Now sew it from here till here and from here till here. So it starts sewing on top of the pipings only. This is because the threads should not be visible here, and we'll get a nice clean finishings to the neckline. Put her up, turn the fabric, put her down, start sewing. There are many variations you can try onto this neck design also, like adding the potley buttons or the fabric buttons. Now this is another scrap fabric and one more strip. I'm going to add it here to add the pipings. Fold the strip from the middle, put right on right, sew it, and then turn it towards the wrong side and give a very thin piping. Like this. Now I'm going to add it in the middle of these 2 pieces. So give stitches onto the pipings only. Very carefully. First pin it and then start sewing. So it got attached, you can see. In the middle of this 2 pieces I added few rhinestones. You can add fabric button too, or you can decorate it according to your choice. So this beautiful neck design made out of these scrap fabrics is ready, and I am going to convert my remaining leftover fabric into a patchwork linen top, making this as a top front part. So stay tuned and I will be coming soon with the next part of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this session. See you in the next video.